Welcome to the Sonoran Desert, home of the giant saguaro cactus. This amazing plant can reach up to 50 feet in the air and live for over 200 years. In fact, the distinctive human-like arms only begin to grow when it's about 75 years old. Saguaro flowers are the official flower of Arizona. The flowers bloom in the middle of the night and close the next day, surviving only 18 hours for pollination by nocturnal animals like bats. Come see the saguaro cactus and over 2,000 species of Sonoran desert plants, live on a Sky Sherpa drone tour. Find out how by following the link below.